Hi, it's Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm here with my beautiful daughter Anna, and we are all about healthy eating made easy. And so today, what are we making, Anna?
Today we'll be making Feijoa and banana ice cream.
Yeah, and because we have got a Feijoa tree and it's absolutely, well, in saying that, it's not as abundant as it was last year, but we're still getting lots, and so we've been playing around with different recipes with Feijoas, and so today we've been, well, prior today we made some Feijoa and ice cream. It was just so good that we had to share it with you. So what are we going to start off with?
We're going to start with 500 grams of Feijoa pulp and 2 frozen bananas, and these have been in the freezer overnight.
Good girl. Hey, by the way, she's not actually this tall. She's standing on a little stool. Okay, so yeah, 500 grams of Feijoa pulp and 2 frozen bananas. So they've been in the freezer overnight. What's next?
And in here we have half a cup of natural yogurt and half a cup of coconut cream. So I'm just going to chuck that in.
And so if you are dairy free, then you could use coconut yogurt instead, which would be beautiful. And then I'm adding in the rind of 1 lime and half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. But if you have only got vanilla essence, then put a teaspoon in. And then we just chuck on the lid. It goes around this way. So then you just halfway through, you just want to scrape down the sides. Do that. Ideally, this is made best served straight away, but you can put it into the freezer after if you want, making it for tonight. You don't want to freeze it for more than like 4 hours because otherwise it goes quite icy. So that's it done. So we'll scoop some into a little bowl here to show you the texture. It's just beautiful, and you can put some more rind on the top if you wanted to, just for a little garnish. This will be, oh, no, that's right. This will be our afternoon tea, won't it, Anna?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we also wanted to tell you about a mother and daughter workshop that we've got coming up, and our dates aren't finalised, but we're thinking on a Sunday afternoon, and in June, and then one early July. And the whole idea of it is to give you something different to do with your daughter. So it's it's going to be a 3-hour workshop where we'll split you into 2 groups, so you'll be with your daughter throughout the whole thing, but half the group will be here in the kitchen, and half the group will be in the other room in there with some young girls who are going to be making, actually you tell them what you're making.
We'll be making bath bombs and bath jelly. And
then the mothers are going to make a face scrub. And so it's just a really cool, fun get-together, and it's something different, because I know when you get to this age with Anna, she's 10 and above, and any age suits, but it's just something a little bit different to do with them, that they remember they take their bath bombs home, they take their jellies, and you'll take your scrubs home, and just a really, really fun activity. So if you're interested in doing that, PM me your details on Wicked Wellbeing, and then I can make sure that I keep you in the loop. So thank you so much for joining us.
And if you want some more fun time with your daughter, come along and have some fun.
Cool. Have an awesome afternoon, and thanks very much for joining us.